Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start with a clear plan and use Google Skillshop for official lessons and practice. Block study time across several days to avoid cramming and keep retention high. Expect to spend about 10 hours studying and one focused 90-minute review session before attempting the exam. Focus on core topics like search, display, video, shopping, and measurement to cover the platform. The passing target is 75% or higher on the Google Ads certification exam. Schedule your exam when you feel confident after completing practice assessments. Create a focus study list that covers search, display, video, shopping, and measurement topics. Read each Skillshop module and take notes that summarize key bidding and targeting concepts. Take practice assessments in Skillshop and track improvement across 5 practice tests before the final attempt. Use real account examples and spend at least 3 hours on hands-on practice to reinforce learning. Revisit weak areas and prioritize the topics that appear most often in practice questions. Review scoring patterns and adjust study time accordingly. On exam day, allow a full 90 minutes and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Choose a quiet location and keep reference notes closed to follow testing rules. Aim for clarity over speed and read each question carefully before answering to avoid careless mistakes. Use the flag feature and review flagged questions before submitting the exam to maximize your score. After passing, download your certificate and share it on LinkedIn, resumes, and company profiles to showcase your credential. Renew or retake exams as platform updates occur to keep skills current.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.